Hi friends, how are you? I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Cherry Berry Foods. So today I am making Annakut special mixed veg, also called Ram Bhaji. And I gonna make this with 34 vegetables. As it is a tradition to make Annakut Sabji or Ram Bhaji with all the seasonal vegetables which are available in the market, whether we use in huge quantity or in less quantity. But the presence of the particular vegetable is a must in Annakut Sabji. So let's begin. So this is carrot, ladyfinger, a small brinjal, yam, scarlet gourd or tindori, and radish. Ingredients I have spinach leaves, fenugreek leaves, mustard leaves or sarson, beetroot leaves, red spinach or lal bhaji, radish leaves and dill leaves also called sua. I have French beans, cluster beans or guanfali, a single piece of drumstick, bottle gourd or lauki, turai that is ridge gourd, sponge gourd, a piece of tinda and capsicum. Also we have pumpkin, 2 types of cucumber, some remaining carrots, some colocasia or arvi, remaining ridge gourd or sponge gourd, and lots of ripe tomatoes. These are red pulpy tomatoes. Bitter gourd. Also we have a single raw banana and some baby corn. These are 2 big size cauliflower florets. Also we have mini size potatoes. Also we gonna put green peas and sangri later. So here I collected these 34 vegetables which are so fresh, and first I gonna wash them and chop them and get them ready for cooking. First heat oil in a big size kadai. This is around 150 ml oil. Yes, we have to take oil in more quantity and we need to cook all the vegetables in oil because we're gonna cook this without adding water to the vegetables. Now add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Now take all the spices in a bowl, that is garam masala, dry coriander powder, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Now give it a good mix and add some water to make paste. So the masala paste is ready. This paste is our bhiga masala. Now add this to kadai. Roast this masala till oil separates. As you can see, the oil starts separating from the masala. Now to this add chopped tomatoes and stir it for some 2 to 3 minutes. Now add salt. Here this is around 50 grams. We should be very careful while adding this because all the green vegetables have high amount of sodium. So always put in less quantity so that we can add it if we need it later. So here goes in our green leafy veggies. This is 1 single piece of drumstick. Now give this a good mix. Now we will add all the vegetables one by one. So here goes in our bottle guard, sponge guard, ridge guard, tinda or round guard, and capsicum. Now adding raw banana, adding in pumpkin, cucumber, bitter gourd. Now adding yam, a single piece of brinjal, ladyfinger, roundels of carrots, scarlet gourd or tandoori, and radish. We are using radish in huge quantity as it gives a very nice taste. Now here goes in tiny potatoes. Now giving a good mix to all these vegetables. Always turn around the veggies from down to upside so that no veggies get burned. So these vegetables start sweating, and here we have water coming out from the veggies. This water helps all the vegetables to cook completely. So we don't need to add a single drop of water to this. Now mixing the vegetables and turning all the vegetables downside up again and again. Also you can see our vegetables start steaming. This will ensure all the vegetables cook completely and simultaneously. Now as you can see, our vegetables are half done and lots of juices of vegetables coming out. Now make a well in the center and to this water add cauliflower florets. These are big size cauliflower florets, but later the size will get reduced as it will break down into small pieces. Now again give it a good mix. Now adding in green peas. These are fresh green peas. Do not use the frozen ones. Now adding in another remaining veggies. Now again give it a good mix. So as the veggies get reduced and kadai gets space, we will add more veggies and repeat the same process again and again. Now adding flat beans and remaining custard beans, ladyfinger, scarlet gourd, also adding sangri at this time. Now repeating the same mixing process. All the vegetables got inside the kadai. Now mixing the vegetables very nicely. Now it's time to cover all the vegetables and let them cook on medium-low flame. The slow cooking process will add magic to this vegetable and it become very tasty. Now repeat the mixing process in between 3-4 times till all the vegetables get cooked and some should have crunch. I have given a list of these 34 vegetables which are used in this recipe in description box. You can also have a look for more details. So our Annakut special sabji is ready to enjoy. Although it's time consuming, but it works. This sabji is best served with kadhi, bajre ka khichda, puri and besan chakki. Friends, please try this recipe and let me know how it comes. Trust me, you will like it. Friends, if you like it, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel Cherryberry Foods, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon for other interesting recipes. Thank you.